This will be an unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So you can see Leica triple camera here, Huawei logo up top. On the side says Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Same thing on this side. Just taking a quick look at the box. And this is still factory sealed. First time I'll be looking at this phone. So we'll go ahead and make a incision right here. Have a look. Do the same thing on this side. And let's check it out. Huawei Mate 20 Pro. See what this phone has to offer. In-display fingerprint scanner. And I believe this one's like the blue color here, but I'll have a look. And front and center is the device. Ooh, look at that. Little tab here. Take the phone out and nice black slab of glass here. Red accent color in the power button. Flip it over in the back. Woo! Now this is hot. Look at this. Look at that gradient from blue to like the purple. Oh man. This is a hot phone. Look at that color. Oh my God. Nice, man. This is cool. Love that. Take that off. Put that to the side. And anything else? I think that's it, eh? Nice. Look at that gradient though. Oh man. Triple camera setup in the back, etc. Hopefully this has some juice. There we go. Put that to the side for now. What else do we get in here? You have your IMEI decals. Put that to the side. You have this little tray. And in here, let's see, what do we get in here? We have a phone making noises, which is good. Making more noises. Very nice. We have your documentation here. Throw that to the side. And here's the case. Now every manufacturer should do this. At the very least, include a clear case with the device. Let their user get started until they get a case that they really want. Just your simple TPU case. Very nice. Throw that to the side. And this here is your SIM ejector tool. And in here, we get the charging brick. Pretty sure this is fast charge or supercharge, right? Huawei supercharge. Yep, says Huawei supercharge right there, if you can read that. Very nice. And then in here, we have your Type-C headphones. Unfortunately, no headphone jack on this device. Very sad. We have your charging cable here. It's purple inside. That's kind of like their supercharge kind of tech. And this is your headphone dongle. Cool. Put all that to the side. Let's take a look at this bad boy again. Put all that to the side. Look at that gradient. Gotta admit, that's pretty cool. And out of curiosity, see, it's interesting they included a clear case with this phone so you can show off that back. Let's just slap it on. See how this looks like. If I can put it on. Oh man, it's a tight fit from the front. It's gonna look like that. And flip it over. Woo! You can still clearly see the color of the phone. Dive into the phone real quick. See what kind of Android we get. Whoops, this one. Go to system right now. And what Android do we get? About phone. EMUI version 9.0, Android version 9. So you do get Pie here. Kind of do that. There you go. And let's take a look at the storage real quick. Storage. Out of the 128 gigabytes, about 14.8 are used. So we'll call it 15. So that's how much storage you get out of the box. Nice. We do have a notch up front. Now let me see if I can hide the notch. More display settings. And yes, we do. More display settings. Notch right there. Now click that and you have a default and a hide notch. So you can hide the notch if you want, but for now, we'll just leave it at default. It's all good. You have a curved display up front. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C, a mic. Actually, I have two mics down here. Actually, no, that's a mic, and here is the SIM tray. On this side of the phone, you have your colored power button, volume rocker. On top, you have a mic, and is that an IR blaster? Correct me if I'm wrong, I think that's an IR blaster. This side of the phone is clean. And in the back, you do have 3 cameras here and your flash. Huawei branding on the bottom. Let's go check out the in-display fingerprint scanner. So go to security and fingerprint ID, enroll fingerprint, fingerprint icon. Fingerprint successfully enrolled. Nice. Click OK on this. So we'll go ahead and check that out right now. Phone is locked, as you can see a little bit of an icon right there, the fingerprint. So I'm gonna try it right now. Let's go. Nice. Do that again. Nice. So I'm gonna compare the fingerprint scanner on this with the one on the OnePlus 6T, so you can see. Also have it set up on this phone. So let's have a little mini fingerprint speed test. Okay, let's go. Go. Okay, we'll do that one more time just to see. Let's go. You guys are the judges. I'd say they're both about the same speed. Pretty cool tech regardless. Fingerprint scanner in the display. That's pretty sick. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Speed tests, camera tests of the triple camera setup here versus the Note 9, iPhone XS Max, LG V40, which also has the triple camera setup. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.